Come check it out in the sun. Bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, some crunchy bread, a little bit of yogurt for healthiness and some more flavor. Looks good, huh? Welcome back to another video. It's day 7 and it's cheat day. And it's time for one of my ultimate favorite lunchtime meals, a BLT sandwich. We're gonna do it a healthy version, so we'll skip the mayo, but it'll still be delicious. All right, it's bacon time. All right, now here we got some of our toasted bread. And like I said, we're not gonna use any mayo, but we want a little bit of sauce. So we're just gonna put a little bit of yogurt. So at least we'll trick our brain to think we got mayonnaise in there. Okay, spread that out. And then we'll get our lettuce, some tomato. Okay, let's check our bacon. Oh, looks good. I think that'll do. We don't want it too crispy, we don't want it too dark for our sandwich. This will be just fine. Turn that off. And as you can see, there's not a lot of grease here, so I'm not even gonna like put on some paper or anything to dry off. It'll be fine just like that. Get our bacon on our tomatoes. Okay, and now we stack our sandwich. And then here's your BLT. How's that look? Come check it out in the sun. Bacon, lettuce, tomatoes, some crunchy bread, a little bit of yogurt for healthiness and some more flavor. Looks good, huh? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm just gonna here watch the verge and enjoy my lunch. Pura vida.